Hello and welcome to this new video, which I'll be discussing or showing you how to install R and RStudio on your Windows PC. So first off, we do a search in the URL. The results probably will come from Google. So R download. Okay, this is Brave so it came. So you select POSIT, this one, this very one, the RStudio desktop POSIT. Okay, and then let me close this. So you see that in the web page, you have install R and you have install RStudio. So we are going to install R first, which is the main programming language, and then we'll install RStudio second, which is the IDE for running the R software, the R program itself. So click download and install R. And then you choose your operating system. I'm choosing for Windows. So and then you click on install R for the first time. Okay, so this is the download link to download the installer. Okay, so while R is downloading, we'll go and install RStudio. Download RStudio installation package as well. So you click on download RStudio, and then so I'll pause the video, and when it's complete, the download is complete, I'll continue. Okay, so our download is complete now, and then we have two files. So we have the R program itself, and we have the RStudio. So we'll go ahead and install the R program first. Sorry. So you choose the language that works for you. And I don't think anybody has the luxury of time to read the terms and conditions. So just click continue or next. Here's a quick launch shortcut. Next. Okay, so the R program is complete in terms of the installation. So this is how the R program itself is. So you can do a few stuff, I believe. See if see for what is F print F. Okay, so this is how the R program itself works. It's blunt like that's like food without taste. So we'll go ahead and install our RStudio. Okay. So this one should be click next. Just click next. Install. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. Okay, so RStudio has also completed the installation. So go ahead and search RStudio. So that's RStudio. Um, so based on I don't remember the name given to this, but my PC is 64 bits, so just choose 64 bits. Okay, so I happen to have a few open files. I happen to have a few open files, or yeah, I had some files I was working on, but I had to uninstall R and RStudio just to be able to get this uh, video done. So automatically open, but uh, just do a few things and see. So let's assign a variable. So, and then for so what is F? F is for print F. Print F. Okay, so we have our RStudio also set up, and there's a pic with this version of the latest version of RStudio. It has AI incorporated, so it can sort of help you in auto completing your code when you are scripting. So this is the version, this is the new version, and this is the feature, which is the Copilot feature that comes with it. The older versions don't come with it, so um, I could make a video separately on how to use Copilot in RStudio to assist you with completing your code and sort of helping you to write better code. So this brings us to the end of this video. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope that you put your comments and then share and like the video if you find it useful.